Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to record screen on iPhone with iOS 26. So, firstly, open Control Panel, and in Control Panel find Screen Recording feature. If you don't have it here, so just click on the plus button on the right top corner of the screen, click Add a Control. Here find Screen Recording. In this list you can find it using search, for example. So just enter Screen Recording, click on it, and it will be added to your Control Panel. And here now we can press and hold on it just to enable or disable microphone. If you want to broadcast your screen to the other application, for example to the Instagram, you can select it and start broadcast to Instagram, but of course firstly you should go live in this application. But in our case we just want to record our screen, not the broadcasting, so just enable or disable microphone, and now you can click on it to start recording. When recording starts, you will see a red area on the left top corner of your screen. If you have newer iPhones, you will see on the dynamic island recording animation, and cool. Now we are recording our screen. So to stop screen recording, you can do it in two ways. So you can scroll from up to down and just click on screen recording icon just to stop screen recording, or just click on the left top corner in this red area and click stop. Afterwards you can find your screen recording in your photos library. So you can just open it, and here you will see your screen recordings. For example, this is my last screen recording I just recorded. As you can see, it's without the sound because I disabled it. So that's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.